Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by duplicating the background so you can always revert. Once done, use the lasso tool to roughly select the text area and apply a 1/3px feather to blend edges. Next, choose the clone stamp tool, set opacity to about 80% and sample from a nearby clean area with Alt-click. As you clone, use short strokes and resample frequently so texture and grain match the surrounding pixels. This prevents obvious repeating patterns. Now refine the patched area with the healing brush to blend color and texture automatically. You'll want small brushes, about the size of the removed text strokes, and to sample clean areas with Alt-click before painting. Zoom to 100% to check how pixels align. Paint in short, varied strokes so directional grain and highlights read naturally. If edges look hard, lightly feather selection and blur 0. 5/1px to soften. Make sure to toggle between finish by matching tone. Use levels or curves on the edited layer to align brightness and contrast with surrounding areas. Once satisfied, create a merged copy, Shift-Alt-Control-E, and keep original layers hidden but intact. If you still see repeating texture or ghosting, try a subtle 0.51% add noise or a tiny Gaussian blur to break patterns. If color shift occurs, use hue/saturation on a clipping mask, and if seams persist, resample closer source pixels and reduce clone opacity for gentler transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.